Okay.
Yeah.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Feeding the boy. Feeding Anthony, look. Anthony, look. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Hello. Hey,
Yummy.
Papa, what you doing? She's like, I'm eating.
So
Papa,
give me.
I'm eating.
Stop teasing me. Give me some.
He likes it, huh? I like, whoa. I like how he looks at it, you know. He like centers his eyes.
He says, I'm gonna go cross-eyed, Daddy.
Yeah, that's what he did. Go cross-eyed because you take the spoon.
Anthony, you like your food? You got it all over your face. Your daddy make a mess. But that's the fun part, isn't it? I'm gonna stop recording. Say bye. Say thank you for taking a video of me eating.